Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is August the 3rd, 2012. Okay, people of Earth, we got a serious issue here. We got to question this. This is just too much. All right. What I do is I take the moon surface, pictures of the moon surface from reputable, you know, lunar, what do you call it, government agencies, basically NASA and other foreign country space agencies that got this picture from them anyway. Reversed it using Microsoft Paint. You flip the picture over, and I overlaid it onto the Earth using Google Earth. All right. Now, this is like the best overlay I've done. I've done a lot of videos, and I've showed a lot of overlays of this crater, okay, over the Earth surface. And it hits a lot of places. It's not the only impact. It's not the only one. But we got to find out what's going on here. This picture, either this picture is something that somebody made to fit on the Earth to fool people, or it's absolutely an impact by our moon and shows that the moon is way bigger than they say. It shows that. I mean, this look at the weather patterns first. Just look at the weather patterns, how they fit. And they will always fit, no matter what the weather is like. Like I said before in many of my videos, it don't matter if the clouds are different. Look at it, just updated. It just updated, and see how they'll still fit. They'll fit here next year. I'll leave this picture in place, and they will fit, always fit, in the lines of this crater. So we got two choices basically. We got either somebody is playing games with the pictures and the lunar pictures or something, or the only other option is the moon's hit the Earth big time. So if that's the case, then we have a big problem with our scientific community, don't we? And NASA and everybody, because look, if they give us all the data about the moon, and you can believe whatever you want. I mean, myself, I only believe what I see. You know, I don't believe what any of them say anymore because I lined up too many things that show otherwise. Now, this crater, I got this over the Earth, and it fits. This is my best one so far. I mean, this is such a good overlay. It fits so perfect. It is, and the application actually put it in place, and we can see I mean, look at this part right here, this V. See where it comes down like this to a point right here, to the point right here. Okay, look where it comes through Mexico right there. Look at that. It comes right through here, and you can see where it went through. Right there. Look at that. See Mexico right here? You see that? I mean, it's all here, all of it. The Yucatan, the crater that hits in the Yucatan, right there. Basically, this, I guess, right here. If you measure it, it's the same size as what they say it is, the crater. Okay, they say it's 150 kilometers. It's like 120 to 130 miles across. So it's pretty close to the same size. What they say that crater is. So everything matches in here. Everything lines up. It's unbelievable almost. That's why I think that we need to take a really close look at this. I mean, look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this shape. I don't know. I use a 42-inch screen. I can see this really good. If you're using a small screen, you have to go to full screen, at least, minimum. Or do this yourself. See that little point right there? Okay, you can see the exact same thing right here. That's the exact same thing right there. Okay, the whole picture is like that, all the way through the picture. All the way through. Now, you can't see the lakes because, look, they're right on the edge. Right on the edge. You can see the same angles of Superior right there. I mean, they say something different created Superior. Well, and then they got a base. There's the basin that goes underneath the lakes. Basically, you can see something there, and then it's all here. Anyways, look at over here in the western United States. Watch this. Just stand back and look at it. Here, let me go right about there. There we go. Look at that. And then look down here in the ocean floor, right here. I mean, it takes practice looking at these pictures, but this goes here. You got to trust me on that one. If these maps are correct, this is where this goes. This is what shapes this area. Absolutely. And then the weather patterns just show. I mean, look at the weather patterns when I put them on. Let me just go through those with you. Okay, look up here. There's this like U shape right here in the crater. See how they follow that curve, and then they go up the center right here. And all of it, just all of it. Pick a spot, any spot you want. I mean, let's look at this little spot right here. See how it comes to the point right here? Everything is in place. Everything goes in, follows the lines. Look at that. Look at this right here. All this right here. Look at that right there. Look at this area right here. Just take a look. All right. I mean, honestly, I'm not messing with the pictures. I just want to know what's going on myself. I just look, because if this is real, really, if this really hits here, we got some serious issues with our science. I'm serious, man. I mean, the scientists are completely lying about like going to the moon, because look, if they're saying the moon's only 2,100 miles across, 2,300 miles or whatever it is, it's, you know, just over 2,000 miles across. This crater on the Earth right here shows that it's about 3,000 miles from here to there, 3,500 miles. Just that crater, just the crater. That's Mare Oriental reversed over the Earth. Just that crater is that big. So we got to check this out. Someone's got to. I mean, I need some help on this one. I really do. I mean, I'm getting to the point where, you know, this is so important, and it just needs to be looked at by somebody that has an open mind. It's not blinded by scientific, you know, data from NASA or whatever, because most people are blinded by science, seems, when it comes to this subject. I mean, just look at that fit. It's all there. You can do this yourself. You take this picture. The application Google Earth actually put it in place. I haven't even touched it. I haven't moved it. I didn't put it here. I did go to put an overlay there, and it snapped it down right there for me. And I just left it there, because that's what it, if you have the spot where the picture goes and you click it down, it'll put it right in place. It'll put it right in place. So you can do the same thing. Get this image, reverse it over the Earth, and just go like this. When you go to put it down, when you go to put the picture down, you want to be like zoomed in to right about here. You don't want the whole Earth to be like this, because it'll snap it down too big. You want to be in about right about here somewhere, right there. Just snap it down, and it should put it right in place. All right, about like that. Okay, and just snap it down. See what you see. I mean, that's I don't understand why this keeps happening. If the moon didn't hit the Earth, it had to hit the Earth if this picture's real. So we got an issue here that needs to be resolved. Someone needs to help me debunk this, or whatever the hell we got to do. I don't know, but you know, this is, unless you want to just continue being lied to, or whatever. I mean, look at that. That goes there. I showed another video about it yesterday. I'm going to post this one right now. I don't want to make it too long, but just, we need to look at it. Please give me a hand with this, all right? Appreciate that. Thanks for watching. I mean, I'm serious. I don't care. I'm not trying to point out that the moon's going to hit the Earth or nothing. I just want to know. I just want the true science to be told. I'm tired of being lied to about how things are shaped on this planet. I mean, if you look at this, this pushes up the rock. If this hits here, there's your Rocky Mountains being pushed up and everything. I mean, it creates the Great Lakes. It creates, you know, the Gulf of Mexico is in there. Everything. So I mean, Canada, Hudson Bay, everything. So that's a big deal. If that's what creates all that, or, you know, shapes everything, we need to get that out. We need to get that out. I mean, we can't just keep saying plate tectonics creates everything, because that's total bullshit. All right, thanks for watching.